Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to clear chat with My AI on Snapchat. And now let's dive right in. Now to clear chat with My AI on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat account and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to clear your chat with My AI. And from over here guys, at the top left corner of the screen, tap on your Bitmoji icon. And on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on that and scroll down from over here to the bottom of the screen until you can find this option. You can see guys, and over here you can see there it says the clear My AI data. If you tap on that clear My AI data, it will be deleting all of the chats and information you shared with My AI on Snapchat. Tap on confirm. One way is doing this, and go back, and on this interface again at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see the map icon, and just beside it there is the message icon or the text icon. Tap on it, and on this interface tap on My AI, and at the top of the screen you can see the name of My AI. Tap on it, and from over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon. Tap over there and tap on chat and notification settings, and over here you can see the clear from chat feeds. By that way guys, all of the chats with My AI will be cleared from chat feed and hidden. And with that being said guys, this is how you clear chat with My AI on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.